In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change costumes in Devil May Cry 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In DMC3, you'll have access to various different costumes. So, to unlock them, beat the game once. Depending on which difficulty you complete the game at, you will unlock different outfits. So here's the list of all of them. So you will have outfits for easy, normal, hard, very hard, and Dante Must Die. If you beat the game on easy, you will have the codeless Dante. If you beat the game on normal, you will have DMC1 Dante, and it will also give you codeless Dante if you hadn't played on easy. For hard, you will have DMC1 codeless Dante, Legendary Dark Knight or Sparta, and very hard gives you Super Dante. Finally, Dante Must Die gives you Super Sparta. Some of these skins will give you Infinite Devil Trigger or other effects. For example, Super Dante will stop the natural regeneration of health, but they give you different bonuses according to the skin. Now, in order to swap between the skins, in the mission select window, press R1 or L1. So as you can see here, these buttons allow you to swap between all of the different skins. This is a screenshot showcasing all of them. So all of the skins that I mentioned earlier that can be unlocked. And you also have skins for Virgil. Virgil is only going to be playable in the special edition of the game, so keep that in mind. Either way, you can swap between the skins by pressing L1 and R1 during mission select after you have them unlocked. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.